Hello, this is Noreen Crone-Findlay. I'm the author of the Potholder Loom Weaving book. Now, I got so inspired when I was writing the book that I ended up creating way too many projects for the book. And so my editor and I had to go through and pull some of the projects out of the book. Even so, bless her heart, Candy, my editor, went to bat for the book and made it into a book that was actually more than 100 pages larger than we had originally contracted for. So thanks to Stackpole Books for going with that. And thanks to Candy for all her hard work. Bless her heart. So this blanket is one of the projects that got pulled from the book. And I am going to give you this pattern for free. Just go to my blog and I will, and I have got it posted there. And here's the link. So I'm just going to add that link down there at the bottom. And you'll be able then to get the graph. Oh, I should show you what the graph looks like. My notes, when I start designing, they are rough. They are, they're worked over and over. I've taped over another piece here. You can see where I started with the graph, and there's notes taped to the back, and there's usually pages and pages and pages of paperwork that goes with each of the patterns. And I have photographed the chart for you so that you can make the blanket yourself as well in your choice of colors. Although I have listed the it's Wool Ease Tonal from Lion Brand. So happy weaving and enjoy making your blanket whatever size you choose. And I hope that you'll get the occasional rainbow pouring into your life too. So happy weaving, everyone, and enjoy the wonders of the marvelous, creative, delightful potholder loom. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.